Won't be too light. Like it. You see my phone quality, but as long as I have good light. And so much paper me give you come back in your black said way. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna take you all on another road trip with me. I am going to Kellits, Clarendon, and you all can see in the back who is coming with me. Say hi, Jolie.
Hi guys.
And you know who else is coming. So I'll see you guys in another clip. So
In drama in
okay.
Guys, this is my baby, and I want you to know my channel.
So guys, we're traveling from Red Hills to Clarendon. I forgot to mention, and I'm going to pick up my children when I reach their destination. I'm gonna pick up my two children, so you'll see them also.
Yeah, and this is my cousin too. Yeah, that is my cousin. Fair Kids is my cousin.
Okay, you hear that? So guys, as you know, the storm Grace is out, but we're only getting a little bit of rain, so some of our plans have to get cancelled.
No, Saint James Mountain.
James Mountain.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
James Mountain. So we're in towards like what we showed you.
You like that? It look nice. Yeah. It's alright now.
Then what am I gonna say?
Eh?
Oh yes.
No, just the view, the dark where I got you a while ago, like right down there. So look, it just look spooky. And this is what we get in Jamaica, guys, a natural fresh air. Yeah, it's so nice, it feels so great.
It just come to right so. Right here.
Yeah.
So when you go run, you have to go more to the corner. That's about what now.
So now we have entered Bagwalk. For who don't know.
I say from side of it to back.
Because they're gonna see. Bagwalk.
And I'm police in Celia, so. They're not going to them bed.
Miss say.
Long time in there still?
Sometimes they're not there, they don't know, to be honest.
They're not doing at all.
Everybody knows that them there here now, so most time people still.
Bump? Alright, me go over there go look Paul. But me tell you, I'll be here when storm out and it will come directly to it. Yeah. What? Data? Data? Me can...
Then I must make you my way. Give me to your answer. Bye.
Jolly, go over now.
Go over there so you don't come here to push you like.
Oh, this one.
When they come say good morning to the camera, I don't know what is going on right now.
Good morning.
Maurice said it.
Morning, Chris.
Morning. Maurice, what?
So this is a long await reunion. We haven't seen each other for so long. So today is the day. We're going to have to make the most of it.
I say big long truck with too much wheel on it and it make nice pan aside. Then me go over, for one overtake him. I'm overtake him and me pass him like me eye.
Tight.
Man, yes I want me eye. I want me eye. See I got funeral, I mean I come with him.
Man, I look land for buy.
No funeral I go but we can't go with him. Because I don't know about it. I don't want to know with it. I want to stay alive. Nana. I go sitting over here when you're in.
Oh my.
Look.
I look nice, eh?
Yeah.
Look. Well, we go clear. Come back. I'm going to take 5 minutes.
Look. Hungry, they cook on the way. We have to draw for anything.
Can't people hungry.
Not Clarendon, no. We're
Oh, not Clarendon.
Oh.
The guys are rich, not Clarendon, but
Love
hungry a bite. Watch them do the road back.
Jolie, don't laugh so loud.
I love that.
I never got my cousin.
Hey, mine, you know. So we're going to stop and take out the cake out of back because right now I'm really hungry for you.
But I'm like, wait till rain is up because even come out down here.
I'm not getting away from it.
Alright, I'm clear a kind of box section where you can go.
We're hungry.
But the mango, there's mango there? Oh, you don't eat mango?
I don't eat mango, so right now that not appeal to me. Maurice don't eat mango again either, so.
Maurice?
Yeah.
Have fun in life, guys.
Maurice.
I eat some jerk pork. Me would I eat some jerk pork.
I alone would I eat that because we don't eat
me and
it.
Jolie, yeah. I can't stay there. When I eat pork, I have
Maurice
fun in
like
life,
it for a man in long time, so. Wasagi. Alright, we're going to feed the cake in a chunk. Maurice, gone out. Alright, go take it out.
Wait, give me that bag, yeah.
See, eh? Fruit cake, a crystal make it nice, it moist, it everything where you look for in our fruit cake. It's very, very nice. So we're going to grub down on this right now. We're not all like still because, you know, we have to left space to add something. Yeah, and we also going to junk too, so.
Yeah, can rum in there.
Yes, yeah, yeah, it's strong.
Look, how much reach Clarendon.
Eh?
Almost reach Clarendon.
Really?
Yes.
We're not Clarendon.
Okay. Oh, not Clarendon.
And if you wrap up in a file paper and throw one pan there up to. Why is it back? I rub. No, put it up too strong.
No, strong.
Not nice. It's just really some bread there, but some food, but.
Walk up your mouth.
But they cut piece if you when you wanna. They cut piece for me, remember.
Then I sent in this.
Yeah, but me want ask them.
Yes.
Oh,
Mango tree, yeah? Mango pan drop off. Look there.
what about mango?
Wait, are you a big man? I'm not gonna go.
What's it, Jolie?
Guys,
No, say sister.
I like my.
So I can bring this everybody to kick it. Meet it?
Me and
Bring
the
this
car
up.
and that
I'm doing no cars.
Oh yes, I saw a local old man power bike when come last year.
Yeah?
A local old man got church, but I look at bike and we have slow than I talk with that.
Arrive at our first stop.
One out of three.
Was a good,
One out of three.
Oh, 1 out of 3 stops. So it was a good ride coming up. Wasn't so bad at all. So we'll check in later again. Jolie, want me to look so what happened to you? You alright? You alright? Eh? Sure?
The car on.
Oh, see if you feel like they might get back. Nah, sure. Eh?
Nice.
But say guys, rain a fall, but we leave from Kellits and we're going back. We're going now to Guys Hill, our second stop. I don't know if we can go anywhere else because Grace is making a mess.
Rainbow say,
Out for this time.
I know Rainbow say.
Must go about him business.
I want to give one of the things I want to carry the back of me and me pilot him to, you know.
That's a film business.
So guys,
Are
I'm
you a brother
so,
in that car?
eh?
Alright.
Let him shut off. So why I'm not something? Why I'm not stay behind you just in case him not shut off in front of you? You see what I'm saying?
No, if you shut up, open stay on that side. The road there we can overtake him.
Alright
You
then.
go on a road, man. So last side.
so guys, the rain is falling. So guys, the rain is falling, and I want you to notice the bad road when the tree.
So where are you going girl's speech for? This is share with read the weather forecast.
This is bad weather, Johnny.
Picking down seeds, so when you're like driving,
Careful.
it can careful guys. It might drop down. I don't know what might happen. Nobody can rescue you. I don't know who else can rescue you. And you might dead.
Okay guys, we're gonna go now, so see you in another clip, okay? Bye weather girl, Jolie.
Bye. Pause it.
Podo?
One picnic, one child. 3 channel 1 allowed.
One time a tree, when you stand there, some tree drop down right in front of you.
road.
Papa.
Go, sir.
For me, that's not
Oh, thanks. Really?
Yeah, that's sure? Yeah.
Where you see that local
Where you see tire mark?
You'll get you.
Yo!
You'll get you.
I know you can pass it. Below. I know no problem.
Scrape up the car.
Yeah.
Go on, man.
Knock off the wiper. Knock off the wiper.
Now me, I'm a foolishness, man. When? Summer?
Oh, that's
It's too cold now.
Oh.
Mommy,
So in a hotel to all the way come
Man, yo!
When somebody do a thing, I say, Maurice.
Maurice, you'd love that. You'd love that. Me I tell you.
Maurice, it turn on, the AC turn on. And it buck.
and then
And me I tell you, in the hour some cold and hit me the man. Would we find the blasted AC?
somebody's eyes on that pillow.
I wonder what make the taxi man and turn back. Oh, just say them and talk, Anna.
Say what, mommy?
Okay, gone away then. See? What you can't do away for?
Trying to go and bust him this.
Huh?
And I tell him what the remote you get to look for.
Get up and look for your remote. No remote star. When I was freezing, man.
Me never had that freeze still enough. Me not tell a lie. Me never had that freeze. Cause you know me alright.
I made it cold.
He say, Jolie, it's up on the side.
Yo,
You
cold,
couldn't turn.
man. Cold, you know.
That morning she asked Malik, say, wait. Well, she wake up in the night to ask him where remote for
You
the
say,
AC.
no, you
don't know
man,
where
that pillow, me find that
When he
pillow.
gone out the door, he remote. The
And
resident there
Uncle
sleep, lie down and
find the
sleep
remote.
for the remote.
Uncle Bruce find the remote.
Mm.
No. And I didn't remember, so they didn't know the cold, no, man. Oh, man.
No. Only in Jamaica.
Why?
Bomba. Only
see.
in.
See there.
Oh, water.
Yeah.
Wait. We have to reverse and think. So we have moved away. We idea to go through. Let me go ask them what going up there.
Yes, and this is your
What?
pause button.
We can't pass. You want this one? Give me that.
Umbrella in here? Oh.
Yeah, turn this
I
one.
will prepare me.
Crystal, go and look where I go on if you can go out there. Maybe them go walk to see how deep the water
You
is.
know what? You know who name what?
Look here that the man the number that go. Nobody afraid of that. Yo.
How deep this is?
No, I'm gonna look too.
Go and go look. Car gets stuck in the water. Yo, we have to go turn back where I come from. Can't go through road block.
Yeah,
Guys.
because what we go through one time, in
Yeah.
the part for water. For we.
Look here, this is what we went through, but
We missed the big part.
we missed the big part. Couldn't find my phone, but you know, we are on our way.
Guys.
Rain and fall, low and fog. We are taking our time to go back home. Oh my God. What a day to travel.
Don't it?
Yep, but we are almost home. So we'll check in again when we are back home. So guys, obviously the next day I did not get to record when we got home because my phone battery died and we were so tired. So because I did not get to go to Geisel, that's where we are heading now. And I'm just going to show you some things that happened on the road. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end. See you all in another upload. Bye.